Mom, can I see my birthday?
But you're too close to me. You want to go swimming?
See me? I see it. Mama.
What? What are you doing? Where's the fishies? Where's the fishies?
I want to see.
Oh. Hi, Mila. Jaden, what is it? What is it?
More school fish?
Like a lot?
Yeah.
Oh, your shoe fell. Your shoe fell. Yeah? Okay. Ready? Cheese!
I found the whole rainbow. I really want to go there for my birthday because it has stuff.
Oh, this is cute.